Hi, welcome to your online employee engagement dashboard. This video will help you see how to navigate the various features of your dashboard. When you first log in, pay attention to your organizational hierarchy. This allows you to see the various levels of leaders throughout your organization, and as you click on them, the data will update. Note that the dashboard is permissions-based, so you'll only be able to see data for the employees that report up to you in the hierarchy. If you're interested in seeing the feedback from just your direct reports, click on the check up here at the top of the box. It's important to note that the online dashboard will only display data if you've received a certain number of responses. If you go below that number of responses, the data will not display. This is to protect the confidentiality of employees' responses. The filters will also be useful to you as you're looking to slice and dice the data. Simply click on the filter that you're interested in and the data will update. To the left-hand side, you'll see the various pages of the dashboard. Here we're looking at the participation page, which shows you the percentage of employees that responded to the survey. Let's go to the engagement page, which is where the actual feedback starts to show up in the dashboard. To start, you'll notice the engagement index. This index is made up of several different questions that are the best indication of engagement levels for your organization. The green bar on this page and throughout the dashboard represents the people who gave an agree or strongly agree response to a survey item. Yellow is the number of neutral responses, and the red is the percentage of people who gave a disagree or strongly disagree response. You'll notice throughout the dashboard a benchmark comparison, which allows you to see how your survey feedback compares to other organizations. A description of the organizations that are included in the benchmark is down below. As we move through this page, you'll be able to see the various dimensions of the survey and how people scored those items. You'll also notice on this page, as well as several others, an action planning column. If you click on the plus next to the survey item, it will add it to your action plan, which is a great way to document and keep track of what you're working on as a result of the feedback. The high-low page of the dashboard allows you to see the survey items from highest scoring to lowest scoring. The key driver page is perhaps the most important page of the dashboard. The idea here is to help you understand where to focus your follow-up efforts so that you have the biggest impact on improving engagement. What this page does is it looks at an algorithm that includes both the percent favorable as well as the strength of the correlation between the survey item and the overall engagement index. This combination of percent favorable and correlation to engagement helps you to understand which items to focus on to get the biggest bang for your buck in terms of follow-up actions. So in most cases, you want to take action on the items at the top of this list. The comparison page allows you to see how survey responses varied by different segments of the organization. To change the item that you're looking at, simply click on the survey item dropdown. The breakout page is similar, but it gives you a side-by-side comparison for all of the items on the survey. If you're interested in changing the comparison, just click on the breakout by drop-down and it will update what you're looking at. The green shading on this page shows you items where there were higher scores than the average for the organization overall, and red means that the score was below a threshold compared to the organization's average. The comments page allows you to see the responses to open-ended comments. Here, the word cloud is representing the words that were given most often larger in the image. If you're interested in searching for a particular comment, just type it into the search box and it will pull up all of the comments that are associated with that word. The action plan sections of the dashboard allow you to create an action plan, and we'll talk about those more in another video. And then lastly, there is a support toolkit that gives you different resources to help you talk to your teams about survey feedback and create an action plan. Thanks and good luck with your employee